Hello, my fine weathered friends. Welcome to my weather update. This area right here in Lucia Chain is full of heavy wind right now. And I also want to touch on the coast right here has a lot of warnings for water being on top of snow trails out there. So you guys be super careful. I'm going to get myself out of this video and let you be able to have the ability to pause. There's a ton of warnings. I have to let you go quick through them. Have a great day. Deuce's Wild Weather Update is home of the 1 minute weather update. Have a great day, folks. Thanks for watching.